Hey everybody, happy Easter. Just jumping on here to tell you this week's vlog is about our Easter dinner, and the big news is we sold the Bentley and the fella came to pick it up, and it was really a neat experience. He's so happy to have it, and we're glad that she's going to a good home because we sure love that car, but we've got to be able to park our cars in the garage where they belong. So anyway, have a good Easter, have a good week, everybody, and I'll see you real soon. I think the pollen is gone, and I cleaned up my patio for Easter weekend. So I got a couple more foxtail ferns, and I know this looks kind of weird with these rocks, but what was happening was when it rained, well, you can see there, the dirt would splash up all over the house, and I don't want to put pine straw down or bark mulch because I feel like it looks gnarly after a couple of months, and I'm not going to be spending all summer raking pine straw or mulch and then replacing it. You see what I'm saying? So these foxtail ferns will grow, I think, and then you won't really see the dirt. And then, of course, we got rid of that palmetto tree. And then Mike had to find, well, I actually found the water meter, but we had to mark it because there was an incident in the neighborhood, and everyone should know where their water meter is. And so then I got a little bit more ground cover for these babies, and I need 1 or 2 more foxtail ferns, but the price has really gone up this season. I don't know why. So anyway, hi guys. If you can hear some guys talking, it's because there's a fella that came over to buy the Bentley. So after 30 years, the Bentley is going on to a new home, and we're super excited because the guy is so excited about it, and we're glad that she's going to a new home. So I love that car. Anyway, I'm gonna get a little bit of video as he's pulling away, but I just wanted to let you know what was going on. No more Bentley. Now we have a transformer to get rid of for sale, if you know anybody, and then we'll be able to park in the garage again. Okay, see ya. Okay, she's leaving the garage. There's Bill, the new owner.
Oh yeah, it's just
Yeah. Okay.
does the parking brake come off automatically? I never used parking.
I don't think so. No, I think it is. Just call me. I want to report.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Bentley. Making a little tzatziki for our grilled leg of lamb for Easter dinner. Anybody else have leg of lamb for Easter?
Yeah, it's about a 5.5 pound semi-boneless leg of lamb. It's been marinating for 2 days. And Helen's special Jimmy Lee marinade.
Go! There she goes. Happy Easter, honey.
Yeah, happy Easter. It's going to be wonderful.
Happy Easter, Milo. Milo, happy Easter. Okay, we're here.
I just pulled out a lovely spinach and artichoke.
Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Happy Easter, Mommy.
Happy Easter, my
Look at your
darling.
table.